Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to uh, completely wipe out a wallet and get it reloaded when it's not syncing properly, or you happen to be on the wrong blockchain, or you just can't get anything to work. This is like the ultimate last resort. So we have our wallet open right here. I'm going to go ahead and close it. We are going to bring up masternodes.online. Going to make sure that we're actually on the right wallet version. So SPD. I think this one's on its website, but we're going to check the. Alright, so right here, this is the new wallet. We want Windows, we're using Windows. It is downloaded. So we're just going to copy it and replace the one that's already there. Okay, now that that's replaced, go ahead and open up your PC. You could type in %app data % and hit enter. That'll take you to your app data roaming folder and go to stipend or whatever coin you happen to be doing. You don't want to delete the stipend.config file, which is that one right there, or the wallet.data file. All the rest of this right here, you just delete. So the only two files you should have in there is stipend.config and wallet.data. Once those two are the only two files in there, we're going to go ahead and start the wallet back up. Once it gets started, it's going to start trying to sync with the network. That should be it. We'll get a couple seconds to get going. We can actually go to our debug window and network traffic. We want to see like the actual traffic. Green is data coming in, red is data going out. Obviously, there's a lot more green because we are re-downloading the blockchain that you can see right here. We're on block 1658 and still have 15 weeks to go. So now we just sit and wait. This could take 5 minutes, it could take an hour and a half, 2 hours. Normally when it starts this and I see that it's moving, I go on and do something else and come back to it later. But that is all there is to doing it. That will resync you on the right blockchain.